It's so nice to see you here. I'm so happy that you chose to get this transition guide to help you transition to a more healthy diet and lifestyle, incorporating more fruits and vegetables and healthy foods. The sun makes everything alive. The sun nourishes all the planet. So it's the one that's cooking all these plants for months and years, putting all the sunlight nutrition into the plants through photosynthesis, and then we eat that and we get that sunlight energy. We get the oxygen in the plants. We get the hydrating water, the structured water in the plants. We get the earth elements, so the minerals, the nutrients, the vitamins, all that in this food. And when we're outside and connecting with these elements, it just takes our health to a whole nother level. And I'm here with Amanda from Sprouts Kitchen.
Yes, I am Amanda Sprouts. You can find me on social media, and my website is amandasprouts.com. And yeah, I have a company called Sprouts Kitchen, where I do personal chefing, and it's all plant-based. I do meal prepping and lessons, and kind of train people to transition their life more towards plant-based diets.
That's why I have you here, because
Yeah.
I wanted to talk to you, because you're an example of someone who helps people get healthy, helps them transition to a healthier diet. You help them prepare food and learn how to prepare food in a different way that they're not necessarily used to.
Yeah, I think the main gist of what I do is really just to lead people towards a more plant-based lifestyle in an easy and fun way that they really enjoy, so that they want to do it on their own, and so that they're inspired to do it and see that it's really fun and can be like delicious, and that you can be healthy and really enjoy your food and all of that, and eat like a bunch of food and be healthy. Exactly. And not even converts them, but just like slowly they're replacing more of their meals and their snacks with plants, you know, like instead of having a slice of like cheese and meat on bread because they don't have something fast to eat, they would have like quinoa salad made in the fridge or sushi rolls already made, and they could just take them and go, you know?
Cool.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm all about. In my transition guide, I'm all about just helping people eat more fruits and vegetables and plant-based choices. And then feel free to like eat whatever you want after, but you're replacing so many calories with the healthy stuff that over time you get more and more used to it, and you start enjoying it because you realize how fun it is.
Yeah, and you feel the difference in your body.
And you feel the difference.
Yeah,
you start feeling better
healing.
because you're cleansing out some old junk, and you start feeling lighter in your body, and you know, it just becomes like a natural thing. So that way it's not like forced, like you gotta go plant-based from today to tomorrow, you know, overnight.
Yes.
Not realistic for most people to do that, so that's why I always promote transitioning and just getting more of the healthy stuff
For sure.
into it. Now remember, a lot of these details of stocking up and preparing for this lifestyle can be found in my Getting Healthy with Kuba video series, which was a free video series that I gave out to the world. So please check that out if you haven't already, and you will learn much, much more. In fact, it's a base for this course. It would be great to do that first and then this course. That's what I recommend.